Can you see yourself in the 2016 Ford Edge? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this smart and sporty Edge. This midsize crossover leverages technology to maximize traction, safety, and convenience. Versatile, capable, and loaded with style, this SUV brings can-do confidence on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate, backup camera, premium sound system, alarm, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels. Be prepared. Drive with the versatility and capability that comes standard with the Edge. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.